I'm getting a auto stop start error, and it'll stop my backup camera from working when it comes on. So it's working fine right now, and I'm gonna go drive around the block, and then we'll come back, and when I put it in reverse to go in the driveway, it'll probably not work. So we'll see if this does this again. I just reset my gas mileage and it's horrible in the driveway. 7 miles per gallon. Let's see if auto start stop comes on. Probably won't because I'm videoing. Usually just takes a little bit of time. Like one spin around the block or so. I just took a battery voltage reading. It was about 12.16, so it seems a little low. 12.16. Seems like it should be up over 12.6. So I'm wondering, there it goes, stop start unavailable. Just did it. And then there'll be like a, I think it's a PO68A code in there on the code reader. PO68A, which is a low voltage one. So when I go to put it in reverse, the back into the driveway, the backup camera will not work when I put it in reverse. Ready? I'm gonna do it right now. Demonstrate this so I can take it to the dealer and have them putting it in reverse and no backup camera. Alright, so the auto stop starts on, but if I go to controls and I hit backup camera, it'll work. But I notice the backup lights do not come on either for some reason. So definitely going to need to take this to the dealer and have that addressed.
Please like and subscribe.
I had that auto stop start problem, and so what I found kind of searching around on forums and stuff, that there's a procedure to reset. This is for manuals. It's to reset the one of the sensors, and it'll get rid of that auto stop start problem. And my backup light wasn't working. My backup lights and camera weren't working. So what I found out is, and I already did it, I forgot to film, you want to disconnect this terminal, the negative. But that's not enough just to disconnect this. It's actually tied into the auxiliary battery by this other one. And you can see I have some other crap on here too. The winch, and then the interior lights. And those videos are up. You can look above, right up there. You can find those videos. But you have to separate these wires. So you want to undo them so you break the circuit so that there's no ground anymore. So basically, I think it was a 13. Take this one off. I just took everything off and then let it sit for a while, and I stepped on the brake pedal. There is some sort of capacitor or something to keep in a little bit of circuit, so you want to get it completely discharged. And then I had to go out and do the relearn procedure. So I'll post up that notice that I found online and share that with you, but now I have no start stop error and everything's working great. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button.